my fellow YouTube audience. And shout out to the 7 new subscribers that I got within this past week. Whoever you guys are, I already love you and appreciate you. I am driving and vlogging at the same time. Mama, I'm sorry. But I just want to talk about something that's been on my mind lately. Little pep talk, little fucking simp talk. Just kind of want to get it out there and get it off my chest. It's been living up here for the past, I don't even know, like a month or so. But relationships and just fuck, it's hard to say, it's hard to get out there. So I'm not a therapist or anything, but basically I kind of wanted to just tap in and say, it's like, if you're not in a relationship, don't rush the shit. This guy has a sick ass ride. Damn, he's got a sick ass ride too, shit. But I am a firm believer in it's gonna happen whenever it happens. It's kind of just gonna fall into place when it's right. You're gonna have to put in work, of course. Like, you're gonna have to make moves. You're gonna have to do this. You're gonna have to do that. Things are gonna kind of mesh, and it's just gonna fall into place. It's just gonna fucking happen. You know what I mean? And grind. Live your life, because that's what's really gonna make people realize and notice, or potential partners, is if you're on your grind and you're just fucking making shit happen, they're gonna dig that shit. They're gonna fucking dig that shit. They don't want no fucking bum. They don't want no fucking lazy ass bum. Excuse my language, I've been cussing a lot. This dude is like swerving in my lane. But what I'm saying is, just stay on your grind, focus on yourself, fucking make your fucking money, and at some point eventually it's just gonna fall into place. And now you're on your grind, you've got your money, got yourself a little boo thing, they respect the grind. Just fucking grind it out, don't stress about it. I'm just some fucking kid in a car talking to a camera. So to my fellow lonely simps out there, keep your fucking head up. And I missed my coffee shop. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. It was kind of just me running around with the camera filming like my daily stuff, basically what I did like last week for my 3 or 4 uploads ago, I believe. But that's just my thoughts on it. You could have a different opinion, but yes, enjoy your day, you guys. Enjoy the little rest of this hike sequence, and whatever the rest of this video may entail, I'm not sure yet. But thank you guys for watching. Small iced Americano. Bracelet chilling on this rock all by itself in the middle of this dry riverbed. This shit is probably haunted, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa. Okay, I'll leave it there. Why is it hard on my own? Why is it hard on my own? fucking spot. I'm gonna chill right here, snack, drink some water, and I'm gonna put the drone in the air. There ain't no security guards up here. They can't tell me shit.
Want better, help me with this comparison. Call me misty, mysterious. I wish to be me.